Sandra with 800. All right, 2 more questions left, and 3 of you still have your help. Here comes question 7 for 700 points. We have the little diagram here that goes with the words. So you can see that sphere, kind of a shadow in there. It's a sphere radius r, which is inside a cube, tangent to each of the 6 faces, and also inside a right circular cylinder, tangent to the top and the bottom of the cylinder, and also to the outer surface of the cylinder. We're going to let V sub 1 be the volume of the space outside the sphere but inside the cube, and we'll let V sub 2 be the volume of the space outside the sphere but inside the cylinder. And what we're asking is some expression for V sub 1 over V sub 2. Is that a little less than 1? Between 1 and 1.5? Between 1.5 and 2? Or bigger than 2? All right, we'll see what the correct answer is. John, is this one you got it right?
I don't actually remember what I was. I think I put serious ones. I don't know if I did. I don't remember.
You can't remember for sure. Did anyone else choose it? All right, well, we'll find out. Looks like we did. And Monica with 1,400, or Aurora 1,100, Michael 1,000, and Sandra 800. So here comes the last question. For 800 points. In how many ways can 10 $1 bills be distributed among 5 people where the bills are considered indistinguishable? And so it's a possibility that a person might not get a bill, or they might get all of them, who knows? But here are how many ways can that be done? Here are the choices. 126, 252, 1,001, or 5,005. Always the contestants have to have some faith in the question writers, that we actually have the right answer up there. And which one did your brother say it was?
C.
C, all right, we'll see if that's correct. Oh, it is very good, 1,001, nice going. And so Michael looks like you're the only one who got that right. And what formula, bars and stars? Bars and stars?
Where you just use the fact that if you compare it to just like 14 balls in a row, 11 balls in a row, well 10 actually. There's 11 different places you can put dividers in there, and you need to choose 4 of them to divide among 5 people. So, because you have to include the ones on the end too.
Yeah, so the things you're putting in there are kind of like separators, which could then determine who gets what amount of money. All right, and so it did turn out a good formula to use, and it did turn out to be 1,001, we're pretty sure, and well, your brother says, so we must be sure. And so we'll see what that does to the score. John stays in first place with 2,500. Aurora 1,100, and Sandra with 800. All right, so how about a nice hand for all the contestants?